Welcome class 9, subject English. Can you see the images over here? What does the image says that? Yes, the image says that this is a picture of a war. Do you know which war is this? Yes, it is Spanish Civil War. In history, you might have studied about Spanish Civil War, isn't it, children? What are the things you know about Spanish Civil War? Spanish Civil War was a military revolt against Republic government of Spain. Thousands and thousands of people have died during this war, and millions of people have lost their families, children, and near and dear ones. So the story that we are going to read now the incident has happened during the time of the war. The name of the story is Old Man at the Bridge. It's by Ernest Hemingway. Have you know about Ernest Hemingway? Ernest Hemingway is an American novelist, a short story writer, and a journalist too. This incident has happened during the time while Ernest Hemingway was working as a journalist during the time of the war. So with his own eyes, he has seen the incident that has taken place during this time of war. This story is based on a true incident, and it gives the emphasis on the reality that common man will be more affected during the time of the war, in spite of the fact that they are very innocent. Okay, children, now let's go into the story. I'll read the story now. This is Ernest Hemingway. The old man with the steel-rimmed spectacles and very dusty clothes sat by the side of the river. So, the first line of the story itself says that rimmed spectacles means an outer cover, covered or circular edge. The first line of the story itself shows that the old man was, to show that an old man was sitting beside the road, and the spectacles and his very dusty cloth indicates that he was too old and that he could not move any further. There was a pontoon bridge across the river, and the carts, trucks, and men, women, and children were crossing it. So there was a pontoon means a temporary bridge. There was a temporary bridge, and across the river, and in that carts, trucks, men were moving, children were moving across the bridge. So all of them were moving along through this bridge, because I told you this incident has happened during the time of the war, and all of them are moving along through this bridge. The mule-drawn carts staggered up the steep bank from the bridge, with soldiers helping push against the spokes of the wheels. So the incident, I told you, the incident has happened during the time of the war, and all the men, women, and trucks, everything were moving away from the one place, and the soldiers were helping the carts to move away from the soldiers were helping to move from the sand of the river, because as you know, the sand of the river will be having a soft mud. That is why the tires of the wheel has sunk into it little bit. So these soldiers were helping these mule drawn carts to get away from it. Okay, and they have to give much pressure, and they are helping the trucks to get away from it. The trucks ground up and away, heading out of it all, and the peasants plodded along in the angled deep dust. So this all shows that the incident is happening during the time of the war, and the common man is also helping these mule-drawn carts to move further and further. The trucks ground up and away, heading out of it all, and the peasants loaded along in the angled deep dust. So when they stamp over the mud, their legs are getting sunk into the mud, because I told you the sand of the river will be having a very soft mud. So the peasants and the soldiers are trying to pull the cart out from the river side. But the old man sat there without moving. He was too tired to go any further. But the old man who was sitting beside the road, he was too old. He was not able to move away from the bridge. It was my business to cross the bridge, explore the bridgehead beyond, and find out to what point the enemy had advanced. So here comes our no soldier. The soldier is it was the duty of the soldier to see to watch whether the enemies are coming in from any side of the area. So the soldier is coming to the scene and is just seeing whether enemies are coming from any side of the area. I did this and returned over the bridge. So the soldier did this with his spectacles. Might be he has seen whether soldiers are coming from any other parts of the area. So he just watched it and he just come back to the scene. He come back to the side of the soldier, side of the old man. I did this and returned over the bridge. He just watched anyone is coming near to this side, and this is a duty of the soldier. So with a binocular, he might have watched somebody is coming, somebody is heading towards this point. So he just watched it and he just come back to the point where the old man was sitting. I did this and returned over the bridge. There were not so many carts now and very few people on the foot, but the old man was still there. But as I told you, everyone was moving away from this side. There was very few people to move away from this side. As I told you, this incident has happened had taken place during the time of the war, and the soldiers are asking everyone to move away from the place, as it is not a very safe place to stay back there long more, because the enemies are attacking this place anytime. So the soldiers are asking the people to move away from the place, but the old man was still sitting beside the road. There was only few carts and only few people were staying back. Each and everyone, one by one, they are lefting out from the place, but the old man was still there. Where do you come from? I asked him. So the soldier is asking to the old man, Sir, where are you coming from? From San Carlos, he said and smiled. So he said he comes from San Carlos. Maybe the native place of old man is San Carlos. And he said and smiled. He just smiled. That was his native town, and it gave him pleasure to mention it. And he said, why did he smile? He smiled because when the soldier asked him, oh, where do you come from, old man? Then he said that from San Carlos. So to pronounce the name itself, the old man feels so delightful, so happy when he says that he come from San Carlos. So he just smiled, and I was taking care of animals, he explained. So this line gives the hint that he may be a farmer. I was taking care of my animals, he explained. The old man explained that I was taking care of my animals. Oh, I said, not quite understanding. So the soldier said that, oh, you are taking care of these animals. Okay, let's give a clear picture. The soldier is asking, oh, what kind of animals, oh, what kind of farmer you are. He was asking some kind of casual questions. Yes, he said, I stayed. You see, taking care of animals. I was the last one to leave the town of San Carlos. He did not look like a shepherd or a herdsman, and I looked at his black dusty clothes and his grey dusty face and his steel-rimmed spectacles and said, what animals are they? So the soldier in his mind, he's just thinking that he don't look like a farmer or a shepherd man or a herdsman. So he was asking so many questions to this old man. What kind of animals do you have, sir? And the old man is telling to the next line, various animals, he said, and shook his head. I had to leave them. So the old man is telling, various kind of animals, soldier. I was having various kind of animals in my home. He shook his head. I had to leave them. This indicates that the old man has to leave all these animals from there, and he has to go away from his native place because of the war. I will be continuing the next class, the next rest of the part. You understood the first page of this Old Man and the Bridge? You read once your textbook. It's page number 48. Okay. So I hope you got a background of the story now. Thank you.